Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. I'm Nuria. In this video I'm going to teach you how to create a grid using bootstrap. Now in bootstrap, a grid structure comes with 12 fixed columns. That means every row will have 12 column maximum. You can decide on how many columns you want each content to span. Let's dive in to see by example. First I will create the container for the grid. The class, now I'm creating the row and the grid structure. Now for the classes for the grid are row and column. This is my first row. Now inside the row we create a column. The class for it is col. As I told you, every row has 12 columns. Now you can specify how many columns you want this to span. So by adding a number here. So right here, for example, this one will make it 4 columns. The first column will span up to 4. And then second and third, let's add. Let's say this one is 5. That will be 9. The remaining will be 3. So I can make this one 3. Adding some content here. I want to add on this one a paragraph. Lorem 30 tab. Now I want to add 3 rows, so I'll copy this and duplicate. You can adjust the column and width as you wanted. Now I want this one to be center aligned. To do that we can use justify content, flex box property, justify content center, and then horizontally to make it, that is horizontally. Vertically we should add this. Okay, so you can see that we have created a grid with 3 rows and 3 columns. We can add some margins here on the top. Margin top, for example, 3. Let's make this one 5. So you can see that we have been able to center the grid. You can apply some colors and so on. If you found this video tutorial helpful, for more click on subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.